In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to access Gallery app. Now click on one of your albums. I will go with screenshots. Then hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of, in my case that one. Now you can click on all of those right away, or tap on Select All at the top right corner. As you can see, all of my photos were selected. If you wish to get rid of them, tap on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!